In the previous stage, after preparing my workspace, I carefully sketched everything with pencil. Then traced the lines with a rapidograph pen to make them clear and bold. Afterwards, I erased the pencil marks, leaving only crisp outlines ready for colors to shine through. This entire process is like telling a story, not just with shapes, but with every shade and hue. I hope when you look at it, you can feel that quiet friendship between colors just as I did while creating it. Now I bring our Dove drawing to life with colors. I lean heavily on blue and greens, those cool, peaceful tones that whisper of tranquil nature. Yet to warm the composition, I weave threads of purple and orange through the line feathers and tail. These warm and cool colors are like old friends reuniting after years apart, gently embracing and blending to create something new. Sometimes they flow together so fluidly, like two rivers merging and transforming their shared path. An important note: your painting needn't be shackled to realistic colors. Feel free to follow your intuition. Combining warm and cool tones, even seemingly strange ones, as long as the final harmony sings through. Colored pencil techniques. The circular method, drawing tiny circles with the pencil tip, perfect for filling spaces. The rowing stroke, back and forth motions like oars in water, ideal for blending colors. To escape the stark white of paper, I add soft gray shadows. These give the painting gentle depth without weighing down its luminous quality. Colors are alive to me. It sings its own melody, yet together they create harmony. When you paint with love and passion, the result will blossom before you. These color combinations are like nature's life poem, sky blue dissolving into earth green, while sunset purple caresses down orange. Gray shadows are my painting breath, giving it life without uttering a sound. Lose yourself in the colors, as if they're flowing from within you onto the page. I hope you've enjoyed this coloring journey. I eagerly await seeing your beautiful creations. Don't hesitate. Begin. I'm certain wonderful works will come from you. Until next time,